Why bring me into this life? Leave me alone. Just like Father, you never gave me an opportunity to even see your face. What crime did I commit? Why bring me and leave me in the hands of those who do not even love me? Why bring me and let me suffer in pain? Why abandon me like this? Why bring me and make me shed tears every day? Why can't you just take my life? Take my life and let me be. I'm tired. I'm tired.
Remember na God who create them away. Even if you know you get them away. Na man begin born them away. What an aqua, Amalagini, Abogini come do. What an aqua.
What happened to the dishes?
I was washing it when it fell down.
You were what?
Washing it.
You are very stupid. You're very stupid. Oh, you want to use your wicked heart to spoil all my dishes in this house? Wait for me. Let me tell you, You are not going to eat in this house for 3 days. For destroy my dishes. Get out. Come on. Come on. Nida. Nida here. Nida. Now get out of here. Get out. Get out. Idiot. One jaw.
So this Nana, I'm not eating anything. Please give me something to eat. I'm very hungry.
Good for you. Like I said before, there won't be any food for you for 3 days. Now get out. Get out! Get out before I use this knife on you.
I will get a cup,
One jaw.
I will get a cup,
One jaw.
Even if I know be you born away. Remember na God who create away. Even if I know be you get away. Na man picking born away. What an aqua. I'm a legini. I'm a guinea come a do. What?
Mama, what is it? Mama, what is it? Do you want to poison yourself eating trash from the Weston? Or didn't you eat at home? Okay, come with me.
Good day, sir.
Good day, Angela. How are you?
I am fine. I saw Mama eating from the trash thrown to the refuge dump. And when I asked her, she said she's very hungry. So I brought her home to find out what the problem is. Because I know feeding her wouldn't be a problem. In your house, Mazi.
Okay. Is this not food? Is this not food? Angela, ask this idiot. Have I not been giving you food in this house? She's just being a liar. And a long throat. I don't even know what to use to qualify. This is how she goes around disgracing me in this village. Anyways, thank you for your kindness. Thank you so much.
Biko Mazi, please, endeavors she eats. Oh, I'll be leaving now.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Oh.
All right. Come on. Come here. Happy you're gonna go. Come. So this is how you go about sullying my name, sullying the name of this family? Eh? By eating from the trash, from the refuse. Do you want to kill yourself? so that people in this village will say that I've killed you. Now, go to the backyard, wash the dishes, wash my clothes, break the firewood, and also break your head. Back out. In fact, come back. Kneel down. Kneel down. Now, I am going to give you 52 lashes for disgracing me.
Destiny can only lead you to your shining grace. So don't bother, just remain the way you are. Be humble, and your day will surely come. Stay hungry, but be patient. Be grateful, and destiny will find you. Stay focused. You will win this fight.
So you are still breaking this firewood? This soft firewood? Huh? How long will it take you to finish up with this? Huh?
Firewood is very strong.
It's very strong. Lazy thing. Shenanigan. Do that very fast. Then go and make the lunch. But before then, wash these clothes very well. Dry them and iron them. Nonsense. Do this thing! Looking at me. No, you want to injure me?
The thing flew.
The thing flew. It flew.
Will this pain ever be over? When will the torture come to an end now?
Baby, you're so sweet. Come on.
I know.
You like it?
Of course I enjoyed
Come on,
it.
give me a kiss.
I think we are at the right place. Wow. Wonderful.
Good day, sir.
Hey.
Good day, sir.
Aha, good day. Who are you people? And how may I help you?
I am Ishie Egwegwe from the neighboring community, Ohazara. And standing with me is my son, Tony.
You are welcome.
Thank you very much.
I hope it is well.
Oh, it is well. We came in peace.
It's all right. It's all right. Please, let me offer you tea. Eh?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. You are welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much.
So, how may I help you, please?
Sir, there's this young lady I met some time ago, and I made inquiries about her. I learned that this is her home, so I decided to come with my father. Yes.
That's all right. So you are welcome. What is her name?
Mama.
Mama.
Yes, sir.
So what has she done this time?
Oh, no. She has not done anything. The truth of the matter is that my son is attracted to her. And we have made inquiries about her. And we found out that she's from a very good home. So we have come to ask for her hand in marriage.
To ask for her hand in marriage?
Oh, yes.
Sir. Yes, sir.
You people seem very nice. Ohazara is a very good village. And everybody therein is also good.
Thanks for the compliment.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Therefore, I will not allow you people to make any mistake. Like you mentioned earlier, this is the right place you have come. This is our home. And my people are good too. I have a very good family here. But the girl in question is not whom you think she is. That girl is very wayward. She is full of mischief. That girl does not do anything in this house. As I am talking to you now, she has long gone out with one of her numerous boyfriends. Everything about her is terribly bad. Dirty. I am very sorry too that you traveled all the way from your village down to this place to look for someone that does not want it. I'm very sorry. But if you think you can manage her stupidity, her waywardness, well, you can go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
It's okay. Thank you very much, my brother.
Thank you very much too.
You are indeed a good man.
Yes, I am.
A man with uncommon personality, kindness and honesty. God bless you.
And bless you too.
Thank you.
And bless you too.
Tony, you have heard it all. It is better for the eagle not to nest than to nest with the vulture. We have to be on our way. Ichie.
Oh?
Thank you very much once again. Yes, we have to be on our way.
Why are you insisting not to take anything? Why not just give me 1 minute? Get inside and then I'll bring some things. Let me get you something to.
Ichie, don't bother.
No, let me.
No. Never mind. The bad as your daughter.
Oh no, no, yeah, make we do good, make we do good, make we do good, oh no, no, make we do good.
Bye bye. None.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too. Don't worry. The moment I close from work, I'll come and see you, okay?
Okay, you take care of yourself. Bye.
Is that right? Take care of yourself.
But Papa,
Yes.
is it not rather strange for a father to say such about his own daughter?
Well, Tony, this is a very curious question. But this world is full of wonders.
Could he be lying?
Well, why will he lie against his own daughter? What does he stand to gain by lying against his daughter? We should be grateful to God that he has told us what he told us. You see, with what he told us, we have been able to avert the calamities that would have happened in the future.
As you vex the vex my smile. I be me cause I be your fault too. That's how we meet this life, that's how we are gonna live and behind. If you live today, think of tomorrow. So the deeds of the fathers will not jeopardize the future of your children. The future of your children, yeah. Every opportunity you find to help someone is a privilege. Make you try to use them well. I beg you, make you use them well. Oh yeah, make we do good.
My love, please, you have to take it easy on yourself. Please.
Take it easy? Adobe, you are telling me to take it easy when I'm about losing my only source of income. You don't understand. You don't. If I fail to raise this money to Chief, he will take his keke from me. Should that happen, what do I do? Where do I fall to? You and I know how long it took me to search for a job to no avail.
It's okay, my love. It's okay, please. And I know you took this cake on a higher purchase. But don't worry. We'll definitely find a way around it. We will. It's okay. Take your heart.
You see, this keke is the only means I make money now.
I know. I know. Take the money.
Thank you so much. Adobe, you just saved the soul. I'll forever appreciate this kind gesture.
Come on, you don't need to thank me. Our love is worth more than this sacrifice.
I appreciate. How did you raise the money so soon?
How I raised the money is not important. What is important is for you to rush to Chief Udemba, pay him this money and retrieve the keke back.
Thank you so much. Let me hurry up and pay him, okay? Thank you.
Ada? No. Mama! 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 Ada? Mother.
Papa?
Did you take the money I kept in my drawer? In my bedroom?
Money kwa?
Yes, money. Money kwa? Yes.
I did not take any money. Oh. Maybe you should ask Mama.
Mama? So where is Mama? Mama?
Nobody knows tomorrow.
Where is Mama? Mama, come here. Mama. Where is the money I kept in my bedroom's drawer? Where is it?
Money.
Mba! Pepper! Akugwa! You have gone deaf because I made mention of my money.
I did not see any money, Papa.
Liar! Shut up! And stop telling lies. You thief.
But I did not steal any money. I did not see any money in your drawer.
Shut up your mouth! I knew it! You are nothing but a thief. You stole my money to buy all these clothes you are wearing?
But I did not steal. I told you, Sister Teresa the tailor gave them to me.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut it up!
I did not.
Put it.
Papa, I already told you.
I said,
Sister Teresa gave it to me.
Papa, it's okay now. Don't want to kill her. Papa, it's okay.
It's okay.
What happened?
I did not see any money. Sister Teresa was the one that gave me the clothes when I came. I told him, Sister Teresa gave me the clothes. I did not see any money that he's talking about. Clothes, I told him already, I did not steal his money.
Sorry. Did he tear the clothes?
I did not see any money.
It's okay, sorry. It's okay now. Sorry, just stop. Let's go to the kitchen.
Even if you know me, you're gonna move. Remember I call the great away. Even if you know me, you get away. Now I'm picking up on away. What an aqua.
She has stolen again. She has stolen my money again.
Abokini come do. What an aqua.
Mother. Why? Why bring me into this life? And leave me alone? Just like Father, you never gave me an opportunity to even see your face. What crime did I commit? Why bring me and leave me in the hands of those who do not even love me? Why bring me and let me suffer in pain? Why abandon me like this? Why bring me and make me shed tears every day? Why can't you just take my life? Take my life and let me be. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired, Mother.
Mama. What are you doing?
I'm tired.
It's not your power to take your own life. It's not. Why are you touching yourself like this, Mama? Why? Give me that.
I'm tired.
I'm begging you, please give it to me. Mama, give it to me. I'm begging you, please give me.
I'm tired.
Please, Mama, give me the knife. I'm begging you, please. Thank you. Mama, it's not your power to take your own life.
It's not. Be it at this meal, put your faith in God. He always cares, you know. I may not know your reason of embarking on this suicide journey, but I want you to know that God is always there for you. And He will see you through.
I'm tired.
Please, I know. We have to summon up strength. It's okay. I understand. Give me your hand.
I'm tired.
Please, Mama, give me your hand. Let's go. Sorry. Sorry, just stand up. You have to summon strength, Mama. Please. You're making me to begin to cry. Please, Mama, stand up. Let's go home. Sorry, Mama, sorry. I'm sorry. Give me your hand.
You know I'm innocent. But God who sees in the secret knows the truth. However, I want to ask your forgiveness. Please, Papa, I'm sorry. Forgive me. Sir. Forgive me, sir.
Forgive you? I will not forgive you. Not when you are not only a thief, but a chronic liar. Listen. Get me my money. Go and bring my money to me. Get me my money. Mama. In fact, Wanjo, get me my money. You have not seen my wrath.
Don't worry, I'm going to talk to him, okay?
I didn't take the money.
Yes, but don't worry, I'll speak with him. He's my father.
Good morning, sir. I wanted to... Good morning, sir. I wanted to ask a favor. I wanted to ask for permission to go to the city and see Auntie Noye, my mother's sister. But I let her go. But can you please give me money for transport to go?
I should give you transport money, eh? To go, eh? May your mouth straight to the corner. I am waiting for you to bring the money that you stole from my drawer. And you have the guts to say this rubbish out of your mouth? You have the guts?
Why do you hate me so much?
Listen to me. Mama. Wanjo. You think a cursed child deserves love? Love for Bakwako. You are a cursed child. A thief. You bewitched your parents. You killed your mother. You killed your father. You killed both of them with your witchcraft. Do you want me to remind you that your father fell from the pantry? The same day you were given birth to, your father went to tap and wine to celebrate your birth. He fell down and died immediately. Your mother also died. You want to go to the city? City, kill your head.
She no be animal.
Come and get out of my sight.
She no be object.
She's a human being.
What a flesh and blood. She feels pain. Oh.
Look at the money.
Your mother shouldn't have given you this one for me, eh? I finished the work. I cleared it down till down there. As she requested. I needed to use the money as my transport fare to the city. This one she sent now, it will not be enough. Eh? Biko, go back home and ask her to add something.
I can't go back home. That's the only money left in the house. Due to what you explained to her that you need the money very urgently. That was why she asked me to bring this one. Don't forget, I'm very fit for the work. Yes.
One. Thank you.
Okay, I'm going.
When will the pain ever be over? When will the torture come to an end?
I'm ready to go to the city.
If you like, go to Alandemo. Go there. Go to the land of the spirits. You must still be a thief. I want to remind you. The money you stole from my cupboard, from my drawer, you must return it. Go and come back. You must return it.
She not be animal. She not be object. She's a human being.
What's up?
Flesh and blood. She feels pain.
Paul, I want to go to the city.
Like every other human being. Life for when will this pain ever be over? When will the torture come to an end? From one trouble onto another, from one heartache onto another. This life, this life, this life, this life. Oh. Sometimes when you suffer from one problem onto another, you just wonder if your life is different from the others. Oh no. Every hard out on your way to your destiny can only lead you to your shining grace. So don't bother, just remain the way you are. Be humble, and your day will surely come. Stay hungry, but be patient. Be grateful, and destiny will find you. Stay focused. You will win this fight.
I don't understand.
Don't you give up now. Don't you give up now. Don't you give up now. Don't you give up right now. Stay hungry. Stay focused. Be strong. Destiny will find you someday. Stay focused. Don't be discouraged. Stay humble. When will this pain ever be over? When will the torture come to an end? From one trouble onto another, from one heartache onto another. This life, this life, this life, this life. Oh.
I just checked. There's hydraulic. I just don't know. Please, the best thing is for you to just get yourself here, all right? I'm just in the middle of nowhere. Of course, there is water in the radiator. Hello? Hello? Hold on a second. Sorry, were you not the one I saw like 10 poles away?
Yes.
So how did you get here?
I walked.
Wait, you trekked all the way to this place?
Yes.
Why are you trekking?
The bus I'm taking to the city got spoiled and the man refused to give me my money, so I'm going to the city.
To the city? Like you're going to trek to the city? So, okay, why not stay with me when my mechanic comes? I could drop you to the park where you pick a bus to the city or something. Hey, come on, I can't hurt you. I'm just trying to help. I'm Prince. And you? Where are you from?
Amozara.
Oh, from Amozara. Wow, what a small world. I have a friend from Amozala. Really? Just come stay with me, okay? I can't hurt you, all right? We're one. Just come.
You're welcome. Please make yourself comfortable. Excuse me.
Okay, thank you very much. So, feel free, okay? Make yourself comfortable, okay? Relax your mind, all right? Yes. All right, so have a seat. Feel free, okay? Relax your mind. What would you want to eat?
Notice.
Hey, come on. I insist, okay? Feel free, okay? Just tell me, what would you want to eat?
Food.
Food. Any type of food?
Rice.
Okay, I get you rice, alright? Relax. So, what brings you to the city, if I may ask? Wow. That's quite a pathetic story. Your uncle Ozumba or whatever is a beast.
But you are very kind, sir. Thank you very much for helping me.
Wow. Come on, we have to be kind to each other. In life, we rise by lifting others. Alright, you have to go to bed, okay?
Where do I lie, sir?
On the bed, of course.
Where will you lie down, sir?
Oh, come on, don't worry about me. I'm okay here. Alright?
Are you sure?
Very sure. Feel free, okay? Yeah, hello. Get me a bottle of water with a glass cup. Thank you.
Nobody knows tomorrow. As you vex, them small smile. That be me cause that be your fault too. That's how we make this life. That's how we are gonna leave them behind. If you they live today, think of tomorrow. So the deeds of the fathers will not jeopardize the future of your children. The future of your children, yeah. Every opportunity you find to help someone is a privilege. Make you try to use them well. I beg you, make you use them well. Oh yeah, make we do good. Make we do good. Make we do good. Do good.
Sir? Yeah. I thought you said you're sleeping there.
Oh yes, but we can actually stay together here, don't you think?
No, sir, I sleep on there.
No, you don't need to. Come on, no. See, you know I'm a man with feelings, alright? I need you. Yes.
Listen, let me sleep on the chair.
No, you don't.
Mr. Opportunistic, you don't become a desperado. Your eye the sharp terminator. Sure you see the thing you cause for yourself, Madame a pretender. pretend that that's the worst to go. I think that you know what's up, and what's up, you know you. Now what thing come happen? You come lose God.
He raped me.
Oh no. You see what this is life for, nobody know all. We all are learning, every one of us.
He raped me.
The best thing you can do, be good the way you do for other people who are. Oh yeah, make we do good, make we do good, make we do good.
Take this for your troubles. I'm sorry.
The food is delicious.
Very, very delicious, my daughter.
Papa can cook. Oh.
That is why you are a woman. That's all right.
Papa, I've been thinking, why do you hate Nwama, my cousin, so much? And you even influenced me with that hatred, right from childhood when she was living with us as an orphan.
My daughter.
Papa.
There is something that you need to understand in life. Mama is just a victim of her father's sins. My daughter, it is not as if Mama is responsible for the death of her father. Like I claimed, it is something more deeper than pains. Adobe, before you were born, your late brother, Obika, became very sick and was taken to the hospital. Certain amount of money was demanded from us to keep his life. I was so wretched then, but not my brother Romanud, whose business was moving on well. I went to him for financial assistance to foot the hospital bills, but he bluntly refused. And that cost the life of your dear brother who was on the hospital bed.
Your story is a pathetic one. Please, I want you to understand that this is a hospital and not my personal establishment. There is nothing I can do. My hands are tied down. I am under authority. Please, if the money is not complete, I will not commence treatment on your son. Please, I urge you to go and run around and get the money. And please, do it very fast. Delay is dangerous and might cause the life of your son. I urge you to be very fast in doing that.
I understand. Thank you.
You mean the doctor said that? Yes, he was serious, brother. What do we do? That is why I'm here. It's quite a pity. I wish I have the money to help you. Hey, Timo. What? Hey, Timo. He's going to die, oh. My son will die. Hey, hey. Calm down. Hey. What is his condition?
I'm sorry. We lost him.
You what? Doctor, why? Romanus, this one you are so happy. Hope all is well.
Nah, haven't you heard?
Heard what?
My husband just bought a brand new motorcycle. Wow, brand new.
You mean your husband, my own brother Romanus, bought a new motorcycle?
And Nai, you not happy?
Where is he now?
Nai, he just went out to show his friends. Nai, come and rejoice with me. Nai, come now. Are you not happy that good thing is happening to us? Nai, come back. What's happening? Let me go back home and see.
He died in my arms. A mishap I will never forget all my life. 1 week after the burial of your late brother, my brother bought a brand new motorcycle which he used as a commercial motorcyclist. The amount he used to purchase that motorcycle would have saved the life of your dear brother. But he denied having money to buy. Listen, Adobe. My brother was an enemy and a murderer of your dear brother. Even in death, I can never forgive him. Now you can see I wasn't wrong for anything I have done to her. She deserves more because of the sins of her father. You can see I have never done anything wrong to her. That is called vengeance.
Welcome, my dear. You are welcome. Hello. Hi. Hi. How was your journey? It was very fine. Hey. You have grown into such a big girl.
Hey, Auntie Nano. With the hardship in the village.
The village? How are those people in the village?
They are fine.
Come. Let's go inside. Let's go inside, oh. You mean Papa Adobe did all that to you? Yeah. His own brother's child. Well, you have seen me. This is what I manage with my small mama put business. You have to be strong. And join me so that we'll gather money to send you to school. Oh?
Hey, Auntie Nono. Hey, thank you very much. Thank you. God will bless you. Yourself and uncle are the only relatives I have left.
You don't need to thank me. Your mother was such a nice person. Yeah! Death. All I could do is to help you if necessary. You know?
Thank you, Auntie.
Papa Adobe. Hey! Mba.
How much is this? How much you talking for? I said for minerals and biscuits, 150. 150? How much? If you know go 7, I come out.
Now I saw that they say 100 naira for your country.
The chop. When you chop me, I go know whether you go pay, you don't go pay. Just the chop first. Give her water. Now the food is over there. Now give this man water to drink. No food. Chop, you pass 150. Chop. Make you bring money, come. Bring money. As you be like that, so you come up 150. The chop. This one, they look, it's a be like saying you don't get money to pay.
One man coordinate me food and make I
Let's calm down. Meat don't finish. Check the fire, you see me. Oh,
Madam, the whole Joko the
no, just wait. Just they swallow this meat. They swallow and go in connection of that way they go. Yeah. Madam, the whole. Do it. Now Joko. What I go belly food you know what? There's no water there. Look the number for that inside.
Madam, the hot. You know, say your package, they get us in the B. Now she, they work for me past 1 month.
Okay.
No, wow.
Give it food,
Rice or swallow?
Swallow, one man, swallow. What's the point against it? But this they use drugs to play. Shoot a pussy. Mama leave.
Mama, 2 apple without this plenty soup. For how much?
200 naira.
200 naira. Mama, hey mama. Here. Party with my food. Here.
Madam Ojoko. Now me Ojoko, your customer.
Yes. Yeah.
I can finish this food. 1 month. To be correct,
Mama, I hope the 2 of you will not send me back to the village.
Madam, in the heart, cool down. Now me Ojoko.
When we get there, you go and collect the money, eh?
Okay, auntie.
Mengwangwa can see before. You're looking at me. No. You're smiling. No. You're laughing. You are crying or what?
It's explanation.
You're explaining to me.
No, I'm not doing
Mama!
Mama, don't talk about
Mama. You're answering me.
No, I'm not answering you, auntie.
Please. Mama, fine. Just tell me before I species you. Mama, which of those that got you pregnant? Oh, is that Joe? That you pack all my food and give to? That got you pregnant, Mama?
No, auntie, nobody, Mama. No, auntie.
Hey! Mama! Step up. Don't hold me! I said, you are begging me, Mama. You are begging me. Move now! Leave my road! Yes. Hey! You are still talking! You want me to show me? Move! Leave this place! Wait! Hey! You don't have anywhere to go to! You are still waiting, Mama. You are waiting. Hey! Look at all this suffering. You're standing there. You're waiting for me. Leave here. Stay back. Oh, go away. You're still standing there. Oh, you're waiting for me. No, ma. You're waiting for me. Auntie. Wait for me. Hey! Oh! Hey, where is my sister? Hey! Mama. It's not your fault. Hey! Don't worry! Don't suppose you get my food so they got you pregnant. We shall see. I won't fear. Now wait for me, I'm coming.
Fate has not been fair to you at all.
never dwell with neither your own nor even your aunt, Madam in the hut. As it is now, you don't have anywhere to go to. I stay in one room. I don't know if you could manage with me till we find you something to do.
Manage? There's no management there. Thank you very much. Please. I'll be very comfortable.
Sure. What? If you say you can stay with me, then you go to my house so that I'll still come back and hustle. You know, on a hustle, the hustle here. Eh? So like, where's the bag?
Yes?
I'm worried about you. I cannot stay here and be inconveniencing you. The load is too much for you. The burden is too much. And it's telling on you. I want to assist you in any way. I want to start something. At least to help, to assist you.
I don't understand. You want to start something, but you know we don't have any money to start up a business for you.
I also recall that Meche told you he has an Okada that he intends to give out. All I ask is for you to speak to him, to give it to me. I can make daily income from it.
You mean you want to become an Okada rider?
Yes, I can.
Is this your condition?
I am strong enough to do it. I can manage.
Well, if you insist, I'll talk to him.
Thank you.
Anything for you. As long as it makes you happy.
True. Honestly, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. If now one man I know, because you know, so for this our village, you know, any woman they drive bike. You know that. Because I don't have any problem. I don't want problem because that bike is here. I put that for high purchase. I can't do what I can't jail.
We got the one, because we got the one here. Trust me, eh?
What is going to make forget? See,
okay, you get go. You buy daily. Okay, you buy weekly. Okay, you trust the nah the cake. You trust the you don't trust me again. Now that's all. That way. One bada. Nah. One bada. That's it.
Every hard out on your way to your destiny can only lead you to your shining grace. So don't bother, just remain the way you are. Be humble, and your day will surely come. Stay hungry, but be patient. Be grateful, and destiny will find you. Stay focused.
Yes, come on. Just enter. I didn't go. Enter, no problem. Don't look them, just enter.
Someday.
Joe, are you okay? Are you alright? How can you be keeping a young girl bearing another man's child?
Ozu,
If I tell you, you will not understand. If you hear that girl's story, believe you me, you will do more than I've even done for her. Out of pity.
Pity? Let me tell you, women don't deserve pity. They don't deserve, they are pretenders. Man, what is wrong with you? What have come over you?
Ozu, I will appreciate you if you stop this conversation. It's my life, and not your own.
No problem, oh. No problem. We'll end it. But don't say I did not warn you. Don't say I did not warn you.
Nothing will go wrong, okay? Nothing will go wrong.
Your boy hello, Auntie I'm hungry, eh? Kunyelo me fe auntie no.
Joseph, I should do what? I should give you what, Joseph? I should give you food.
Yes.
Now listen, let me do. I don't want to see you and that prostitute around my shop. Never again. In an different.
What have I done?
Joseph, it's not your fault. It's not your fault. You gave it 1. You gave it 2. You gave it 3. You have scored goal. I'll come up with go. See little passes up. I'm off here. Joseph. It's not your fault. You gave it. You are Ojoko. You are Ojoko. Hey, I'm one up. I will let you. What can you?
Mama di mama.
Hey, whoa. Hey! Oh, Zumba. It is true. As I'm talking to you now, I'm seeing her right in front of me. With the Okada boys. Riding Okada. Hey, whoa. This kid is living an irresponsible life. Jay! Hey! My sister. Okay, don't worry. Exactly. No. Don't worry, no problem. No problem. I will come. I will come and see you. Once I'm chance, I'm there. Always you. Hey!
Joe! Ojoko! One name, Mbada.
One name. Sulu.
I told you to. I'm so happy.
You can't be more right, one man.
I'm very happy.
I am too. At least you're happy.
One name, Mbada.
Sulie. Ngwadi hot.
Hey!
Papa.
Yes, my dear.
Like I said, I want to go to the city with my friend Ifeanyi to learn homemaking business while I wait for my upcoming JAMB exams. I think it's better than staying here in the village while in a good time.
Autumn, my daughter. It's a very good idea. But it's just that I am going to miss you a lot if I am left here alone.
Papa, I understand, but you don't need to worry. because I'll always come back to the village to visit you.
That's all right. It's okay, my daughter. May our good God grant you your heart desire.
Amen.
One more thing. You have to send for your friend, Ifeyun. We have to talk about this.
Papa, that's not going to be a problem. I will, definitely.
That's all right.
Let's continue. Thank you,
right.
Papa. But I hope you'll not change your mind now.
No. You're very funny.
Hey.
Hey, you made me laugh.
I know. If I don't make you laugh, who will?
It's just that I am going to miss you a lot. Please. The city is a very wide place. Be very, very careful, my dear. You know, go. Try and make me proud when you get to the city.
Come on, Papa. I will make you proud. I will be a very good girl. Just trust me.
It's alright.
Papa, I have to hurry now. My friends are waiting for me. Please. Come on, Papa. Papa, it's okay. Just be good, okay? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Ngwa. Oh, bye. Be careful.
Drink more. Drink, just drink. Drink all. Drink it, babe. Good girl. Give it to her. Now you can twerk for me. Give it to her, let her get high. Now drink. Drink so you can get high. Give her. So you can trick. Good. So now you're gonna twerk for me while I play my music. Now let's go. Turn your waist, baby. Shake it. Turn the waist. Let me show you how you do it. Do it, baby. Turn the waist. Sorry. Show me what. Show them what you got. Turn it. You're not in the church, babe. You're dancing. You're twerking. You don't just dance like you're in the church in our village. You're in the city now, so we have to turn the waist. Yes. Show them what you got. Look at it. Look at what you got. Yeah, you get it. Don't enter. One dance. Take more before I teach you the dancing step.
Help me, worry girl. I must make her. My bag was full.
I said don't fall.
Forget that thing. They go come. Just believe.
Baby, Mama, what's up? Take more. I want to teach you the dancing step now. That's so. That makes his entry. Now, smoke it while I teach you how to dance. How you go take this step? Mama, see you. Let's go. All this thing, if customer come, they feel me. Once you just throw yourself leg, you see her, you go come and do the guy like this. That's the time you once the guy, they feel me. I feel you, mama. You can't go like this. You can't be backside.
I'm a short there.
Don't carry your phone. Don't shake her well, so that the man will know what's up. You feel me?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, now I can't show me tonight. As I do understand what you do now. No, babe, no 4 hands there. No 4 hands. Take your left hands, babe. Sit down now. No, go. No be your shoulder. You use that. You go now. Let me be your shower.
Don't be dancing.
The dancing, right?
You come.
Come here, make one dance. Come here, make one dance. Babe, dance for me now.
Okay. Alright, can you turn your shift bed? Look at your rub. They dance well now. Which one did you do?
Babe, sweat now.
Baby, come and me dance for me, babe. With this your waist, not my hand.
No, you will teach people how to do the thing. You want to?
I bet no one teach how to do it. Shake this thing, baby. You get time. Show them how to do it.
Baby, shake her.
Better. Hey, now my girl.
This one come from.
I know that. No worry, she go learn a small thing. You say the girl in a better package. Dance her. Instead she dey do. Adapt, shake it, whine it, turn it. Make us know. Customer, waiting the sub now. You don't come. See my new fishes now. Now which one you want? Name she na barbecue, I been a Titus, I been a croaker, anyone then they. Just choose one. Customer. Hey, my customer will be better thing. You see why they call you my customer? But customer, this one now we set like this. No be small money, oh. No only 10K.
See, Mama, wait till I go reason you 5K.
I know say it's my customer, and I make me say maybe 10K. If not be for you, I 15K for call, no. See the kind of fish where they give. No, this one pass 5. I just bring this one come, not okay. From UK direct.
Go arrange that one.
My man! Now you know what's in the soul. Go away, go now.
Don't worry, I'll package that.
I trust you. Like this. Go away, no. Mama, I dey feel it now. I dey feel it now. Mama.
Package am.
Mama, they finish me here. When now it make sense? When I start? No make I make money for more.
Mama, wait, sabi wait.
I know what's in the line again now. My put them for pocket fair. When
Why?
Go down. Go down. You dey let us show. Make you do this one here and down. Put hands for that.
You dance, where the mama? Dance. Shake that your waist. Come.
You see her? So when you want to give the man, you go give her like this. Go.
Because it goes to my mind, they talk of secret. A secret I call you a
I just understand. Everywhere just try. See everywhere just come and see this bill. But Shao, you know see all these babes, some of them they use Ogumel.
I think I need to travel to go see my father.
Yes, Natasha. That's a very good idea. I really think you need to go show our village people you're no longer that timid and naive Adobe they used to know. Now you are now the Natasha, the 24th century chick.
I just want to say thank you very much, Ife. Thank you, I really appreciate you. Thank you.
No problem. No problem at all, okay?
Ife, I'm so grateful. Do you know just in 5 days, I made 50,000 naira.
Come on. What are friends for? If not to help each other when necessary. Yeah,
thank
Adobe.
you.
Hey, that reminds me, Natasha, babe. When did you say you're leaving again? day after tomorrow. A day after tomorrow. We'll miss you, babe.
Okay, maybe I'll give you something to give to my father. Not a problem.
Fine, yes.
I want to do.
Wimby.
You want to do?
1,000.
1,000.
1,000.
What is guy the crazy? You want to do 1,000.
Come on for here, stupid man. You don't fear face. You won't do me Cynthia 1,000. Go punish your generation for that, please. Come on for here. You won't do me with 1,000. Might see you again.
See as you feel like this way one die.
Get out from here.
Come on. Yeah,
Come on, I come to a shower walk now. 1,000 with this.
You see this boy here? This boy big get sickness for body.
Hey, you correct, my dear.
Seriously, I'm sorry. You are calm now. You will show me 1,000. What to my dear? I don't so. I'm sorry, so.
My daughter. Hey! I thank you so much. Amaka. This is very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. God will continue to bless you.
Amen. Amen.
This must be very expensive.
Very, very expensive.
It's just like mine, but I will have to remove this.
Papa, wait, let me help you. Let me do it myself.
It's alright. Look at how beautiful you are. Very beautiful. Listen, my dear. Today, I am taking you out. And the reason is that I want the whole villagers to see that my daughter is very beautiful.
Papa, of course, I'm beautiful. Come, let me put this for you.
Put it. Ngwa, put it. Put it.
You do this, and then
that. It will lock. Bagam. The city can do wonders.
Yes, Papa, it is. It is.
The city has totally changed you automatically overnight. Very good. It's like this business is very lucrative.
Yes, Papa.
It's lucrative.
Of course, very.
Very, very lucrative.
Very, yes.
Okay, no wonder. No wonder.
That's your mom? Yeah. Wow. Your mom is really looking very strong.
Yes, she's very strong. Adobe, you don't know how excited I am about your visit. Adobe, you are shining.
Please.
You are looking beautiful.
Please.
Chai! Business is in progress.
Yes. The hair making business. See what I have on.
Look at your hair.
Yeah?
Adobe, my lover.
Please just stop.
Hey!
Hold on, I have something for you. Yeah. Take it.
Adobe. For me? How do I live without you? Without you.
Stop, please.
Adobe. How do I live without you? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Come on. This way, come on. Come on, kiss me. So sweet.
You're very naughty.
I love it too. It's not when you finish my mind.
Of course, I can do that.
Are you sure?
So this is what you people do here? Eh? Hey! Tell me, why is it that you youth will never learn to live a responsible life? Why? Why will you not live a responsible life like my daughter Adobe? My daughter Adobe does not know a man, even till date. She doesn't. Look at this idiot. Alusa Pelape. Shenanigan. Fool. Anumano. Oh, because you have gotten those two headlamps, those two things like small oranges on your chest. So you think you are matured. Hmm? You are matured to allow this fool, this non-entity.
Okay, you're insulting me.
Who knows nothing and does not know that he knows nothing and does not want to know anything.
Okay, it's not what you think.
Huh? You said what?
It's not what you think.
Okay, don't worry. I have finished with you. I will have to go to your parents.
Nai, please, please don't tell my parents, I beg you, please, Nai, please.
I should not tell your parents.
I'm sorry, Nai, please.
You are sorry?
Uncle, she's begging you now.
You better be sorry for yourself. Be sorry for yourself. Mijano! Shenanigan. Idiot. By the time you get pregnant, he will run away. He will run away. He will Ben Johnson. And you will be there to suffer it. Will you run out of this place? Run out! Run away from there! Come, there you! Come here, come.
Wait now, go carry me. How much? No, they carry me, they go outside. Wait. What carry me? I know say I go pay you now. I know they carry me, they go. See now. Okay, how much?
Give me now.
Which is what? Now 500 naira be your money, and what you talk? Wait, now you don't give me any style.
Which kind of talk?
Which kind of way don't give me? And your money now 500 now. Wait, you don't give me any style, sir. Alright, tell me what happened now.
Ah, look at this guy. After I wrote this guy finish, you know one pay for waiting.
God, my man,
you crazy.
No, 500 naira.
Give my money, man, on the joke.
Wait.
Shout out me, bring that. What you get for you?
Wait, you will not be my phone now. No, you never used to take my phone now.
So this way your bring that one from there.
Wait now, wait.
Guys, too fast. Guys,
you never reach like this now. 500. Now very short time. Very short time. Now my brother phone, no.
This is your phone, yeah.
Now my.
Go.
Bros, pay your money now.
Chike, that you saw Adobe, Mazi Ozumba's daughter, doing prostitution in the city. Chike, you know, you guys in the cities, it can change you guys. Especially this your job, cab cab job can make you don't lie to me. Are you sure of what you're saying?
Life and direct. I saw her with my two naked eyes. In fact, that's why I'm here. Do you suggest I tell her father?
Are you sure of what you're saying?
With my two naked eyes.
In that case, you have to consult the father. Look, Chike, let me tell you, if you condone immorality, in fact, I will not even curse you. The devil will punish you. See what you're going to do. Majozumba has been very good to me, especially Paul. I'll tell you the reason I'm talking about Paul. Because this Paul. What about Paul? Everything Paul is doing, Adobe is my love. I want him, but he wouldn't understand. Chicken, you know one thing. Ha! Say the truth. Free your conscience. You saw a girl from this noble community doing a shower. In fact, if I were you, I would have dragged her. I would have beaten her there.
Wonder the say shall never end.
Okay? For the sake of Paul, we must expose her. Yes.
I don't know what you're talking about. I can't believe this. Are you telling me you saw my daughter doing prostitution? Yes, Mazi Osumba. Do you realize the implication of this false accusation? Because I know my daughter very well and I know she cannot do such a thing. Mazi Osumba, if you doubt me, I can take you there.
Since I dey pray, my get customer. One useless boy for like that though. Come here, tell me say you want do me 1,000. For waiting now.
For here.
I dey tell you, that time no dey now. It be like say you travel.
Madam no dey.
She dey now.
You know,
Bishu and Pepe.
I trust you now.
Bishu and Pepe.
I trust.
Wait. No, we are not here for you. We are looking for Adobe. One girl, yes. She's fake population tall. I don't know if you know her.
You know Tasha?
Eh?
Tasha.
That could be. I don't know. Maybe
okay,
she's the
let
one.
me take it.
Where? Which side? This okay, Papa. Yeah. Let's go. Thank you, eh? Thank you. No, go with the kids. Huh? You are not yet to work.
I really enjoyed it.
I know.
You are good.
I know.
I'm going to come back and give you big money because I need that again.
I know, right?
I loved when you roll and roll and roll that thing. You good, baby. Oh, yeah.
As you enjoy it now, Kukuma give me the 1,000 naira will be coming from your pocket.
Love money.
Carry on, come, Jerry.
Love money. Take it. Have it.
See you.
This place. This room. Where, Papa? He said it's this room. This room. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take what is. Take what is. Stop it.
I beg.
Another customer.
I said not enough for I beg. Dress up, come out. I got another customer.
I'll come again. I'll give you big money this time.
Wait,
Let's have this. Let's have this.
Hey, Papa. Hey.
So, it is true. Ada, or is it okay? Ada, or is it okay? I don't be this. So this is not me. Wait for me. Go on. I said go. Go on. No. This is the hairdressing salon. I said go. 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 Oh. This is the place for your hairdressing salon. This is the place you came to do hairdressing salon in the city. A protest. Unashawo! You have turned to a prostitute. Eh? Get up! I will break up! Ada!
Inside.
I said follow me. Ada, follow me.
Papa, please.
Ada, listen.
Papa, please.
Listen. Ada, I will break your head, Ada. I will break.
Papa, my bag is inside. Let me get my bag. Papa, please, my bag.
Wait back.
Papa, please.
Come on, follow me. Enter.
Hey, Papa.
Enter. Naniga. Where is this anyone? Eh? Where is this anyone that brought you to the city to come and do hairdresser? And now it has turned to Anshawo. You don't want to? Come, follow me. Eh? Where is this anyone? Where is this anyone? Is it? Go.
Wait, this man from village. But I know that
That's the knacker like a we don't do. Hey!
Useless girl. Nonsense. Stupid. Prostitute. That is what you are. Where is she? No, I say come here. Manzo Zumba, I have to be on my way. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now, inside. Get it! Awesome. Go inside. Restitute! I say go inside! Go! No, you don't want to go inside. Get it! Get it! Hey! Put me here with these people here at my daughter.
I really missed you.
I missed you too.
So tell me, why did you decide to relocate back to the village after all?
Business wasn't going on well, so I decided to come back to the village and wait for my jam instead of staying in the city and wasting my time.
That is okay. At least we're back together again.
Right.
I missed my baby.
Missed you too.
I am the luckiest man on earth to have this woman by my side.
Thank you.
Come on. Have I kissed you today? You know I don't joke with my kissing.
Babes. And I see that man. Imagine that man will come pick me. Oh. That idiot, this say come use me finish. Come waka come out. She not in pocket. Just carry car. Whether the body go and say me, I don't know. Pay me money, not pay me. As not give my money, now I jack out like this for a cucumber. So I pay me.
Mama, I trust you now. I don't think you drag and wear.
Now for
Sure,
you.
you collect your money.
Now you talk this kind of thing. Money for hand, nyash for ground.
I trust you, Mama. You say I saw some of them they do. To do na very smart thing. To pay, na me the way. Now then you go here, grandma.
My sister, thank God we're not around when Adobe's father came in. If not, I would have had my parents to contend with. I don't even know why that stupid Shike had to bring in.
Now God will punish him.
God go punish him.
God will punish him.
God go punish him.
I say, man, relax. Begin waiting the solve.
Babes, this one a big thing.
Serious, baby. Yeah, why don't cast like this?
Baby, maybe now relax. Yeah, now streets with you. Leave that thing where they talk for village. You know, consign us. Now money na we know. Money for hand, nyash for ground, just to make our money. You understand it? So making her just shine in her eyes. Grab them, my God. I don't get time for that one, I beg.
No one do your work. See as they go, you make one perfect.
Yourself from a carpenter. Why you sitting here like you want to end your life? Huh? Do you need soup or poison? Or you can't pick up? Can you go Ben and Kenke? Yeah?
Sometimes when you suffer from one problem onto another, you just wonder if your life is different from the others. Oh no. Every hard out on your way to your destiny can only lead you to your shining.
Wazico,
Sit up.
you're not sleeping.
We need to talk.
I hope everything is okay.
Mama, it's about your condition. It's obvious this job is becoming tedious on you now. Please. More so, it won't be safe. You deliver your baby in such a stressful condition and in this kind of environment. I understand your plight that you're not in good terms with your uncle. However, I will advise you go back to your uncle and apologize to him so that you can give birth to your baby in a good condition where you'll be taken care of, and your baby too. I mean, putting to birth here, you know what it means. I don't have money for Pampers, I don't have money for Cerelac and other baby things. And that will mean you suffering a lot here. But putting to bed there, at least the environment is conducive enough and you'll be well taken care of. Mama, I'm not really happy doing this. I'm not. But we need to survive. Your baby needs to be well taken care of. You need to be well taken care of. So I just hope you understand from my own point of view.
But I want the best for you.
God will reward you for your kindness. I'll return back there tomorrow and I'll ask his forgiveness.
Thank you for understanding. You can go back to sleep.
Okay. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Every hard out on your way to your destiny can only lead you to your shining grace. So don't bother, just remain the way you are. Be humble, and your day will surely come. Stay hungry, but be patient. Be grateful, and destiny will find you. Stay focused, you will win this fight someday. You will win this fight someday.
No. What are you doing? What are you doing in my house?
I came to greet you. I came back home.
You came back home?
To greet you.
To greet me?
No, came back.
No, you came back to greet me. You came back home. Eh? No, you came to greet me. You came back home to greet me. Will you shut up your mouth? You prostitute! Criminal like you! It is true what they said about you in the city. Eh? This is the result. This is the result. Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth! You better take this bastard, this unborn bastard, out of this house now. Will,
please don't look at my face. Just look at the baby, please, Uncle. I'm begging you, have mercy.
Which baby? No, don't look at the baby. I have seen the baby already. That bastard you call baby? That bastard? Child without a father? Get out of my house! Go away before I destroy both of you! Get out! Please. Please? Get out!
She no be animal, she no be object. She's a human being, flesh and blood.
Oh, Papa. Papa.
Oh, like every other human.
Please! No, I should look at unborn bastard.
Mom, I was just saying, let me come and beg this noise. You even allow, let me explain it.
Explain what? Get out! Get out! Out! Shina nigga.
torture come to an end now. From one trouble onto another, from one heartache onto another. This life, this life.
Oh yeah. I'll get it.
Elisa!
Jehovah is your name, mighty warrior.
Elisa! Please.
No, what is it? What is it to you?
Please come with me.
What?
There's someone in labor.
Labor?
Please. What's this?
Okay. I'm coming. Let's go.
I've heard your story, Mama. It's rather unfortunate that you had to pass through all this. Okay? But anyhow, I will allow you to stay with me so that you can take off your baby.
Thank you very much, sir.
But on one condition. Right? When the baby is grown enough to be able to go out, I want you to work for me. Yeah, to be a shepherd, to take care of my flock of pigs. Alright? And when it grows to a point where two of you can be on your own, I'll compensate you with 2 pigs. I believe that if you can manage them very well, they will multiply and take care of you in the future, because pigs are very prolific, I can tell you that. You see, I started the same way, and as you can see, the result is very good.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. The God who led me to you will repay you for your kindness.
Amen. I will find some money for you so that you can go and shop for the baby tomorrow.
I'm honestly grateful, sir. Thank you.
God bless you. Yeah.
Why do you live here all alone?
It's a long story. A very bitter long story. You see, my daughter, many years ago,
oh yeah, bring the money, come, me win. Bring my money now. Guy, bring my money. Bring money.
Give him your rights now.
Give my money. Bring my money.
Wait, I will give you your money.
Now
buy first.
Take your money. But first, give my money. Oh yeah.
Do your card now.
Let's play again. See my bed. Oh yeah.
Nah, check them good. The money well, you say that you get her. I'm a right visual.
Oh yeah. Cut.
Cut.
Collect. Oh yeah, play. Cut it. Okay, play card. You can win your house down. Oh, my baby, how are you? Waiter!
Play game, I beg. Which kind?
Waiter! Waiter!
Play game, nah.
Okay, play. I need cross.
Which cross? I beg you. Circle. Alright, take 2 there. 2? Take 2, take out.
Okay.
I beg. General market.
Alright.
I beg. Listen on your tongue with this one.
Go your own now. Go.
Touch,
Okay,
touch.
play, don't worry. Last card. Big 3 last card. I will eat your money today. I will eat. I'm last card. Called Agaba. Last card.
Hey!
Imela Chineke, imela o. Ana masigi na rekele. My husband. Welcome, my husband. Welcome.
Why are you looking like this? Or didn't Ikenga pay you the money he was owing you went to collect?
He paid.
So what happened?
Ikenga paid. My problem is this, my brother. I mean, there is nothing I have not done to make that man get himself to do something useful for himself. I saw him drinking and gambling with those his useless friends. There is nothing I have not done to make that man change and be useful to himself. And you know, in this village, anything that affects him affects me.
My husband.
To do again.
My husband. You should get used to him by now. Huh? It's okay. Let's go in so that you can have your breakfast. Huh? Let's go, please. Huh? You have to realize he's a full-grown man. It's very difficult to change a growing child. Not to talk more of a full-grown man. Huh?
I agree with you. A full-grown foolish man. No, I'm telling you, he's a stupid man.
I know, my husband. It's okay. You've really tried. It's okay. You've really tried, my husband.
Agaba.
Brother.
I have to be very honest with you that I don't like the kind of lifestyle you've chosen for yourself. Just imagine at your age, you don't have any means of livelihood. You have not married, neither are you considering doing that anytime soon. Considering the kind of irresponsible and reckless lifestyle.
Hey! Enough of this! Enough! Stop it! How dare you come into my house all the time to come and insult me? Now listen. The fact that you are my elder brother is not enough reason for you to be coming to this place to come and insult me. However I choose to live my life is entirely none of your business. Okay? Just leave me the way I choose to live my life, period. See me see wahala. I am a man like you. Does someone marry a wife without money? Okay. Now, give me money. Give me money, let me go and get married. The other time, I asked you to assist me with some money to go and get married, but you refused. Now you are here claiming that you are my good elder brother. Elder brother, my foot.
Is it me you are insulting like this? Your elder brother.
Brother, make I tell you, let me tell you. If you come to this place to come and make noise again, brother, I will change it for you. I will change it for you.
Me?
Nonsense.
Me?
You claim to be my elder brother. Elder brother, my foot. Nonsense.
You are a very stupid
elder
man.
Brother, my foot. Nonsense. This land is a very big land. It's a very big land. It's a land that you enjoy. Like I said, from that way, from that tree now, down that big tree was in down this way to the road. It's a very big land.
I can see.
Yes.
I believe the land will be enough for me to do what I want to do.
Yes, it's a very big land. I know you will like it. and all the documents are intact.
Okay, it's all right.
It's okay.
So let's go and discuss about the payment.
It's okay. It's all right. It's all right.
Notice there from there. You're shocked to see people in your farmland. Notice there from.
Odu, what are you doing on our land?
His Mazonuma has sent us to clear the land for him.
Mazonuma?
Yes.
Are you not aware that this land belongs to us?
We wouldn't know. Maybe you consult him to find out.
Of course I will check with him. In the meantime, I want you out of the land.
I'm sorry. Maybe you have to consult him first, because we've already been paid for the work.
Of course I will check with him. But leave the land now. Are you daring me? Leave the land.
He's right. I think you need to save my Mazonuma, please.
Let's continue. Lucky that I didn't find him at his shop today. How can the only piece of land that our father left for us, Agaba is selling? No. It will not happen. Over my dead body will they sell that land. Onuma!
Ono, what is it? Why are you shouting my name like that?
Onuma, I was going to the farm when I saw Odum and Osondu. They were clearing our land at Omaisi. And when I confronted them, they told me that you were the one who hired them to do that job.
Of course, they were right. I was the one.
What do you mean by they were right?
Are you not aware?
Aware of what?
That your brother Agaba sold that piece of land to me.
What? You mean Agaba sold the only piece of land given to us by our late father to you? Over my dead body. Look, that land is not for sale. It's not for sale. That land was given to us as inheritance to our generation to come. Look, let me tell you, if you know you gave money to Agaba, go and take it from him. Because he does not have the right to sell that land. And you go.
Oh no, I guess you should go and settle with your brother. Because the business has been deal and sealed. Oh no, as you can see, I was on my way out where you interrupted. So go and settle with your brother, Agaba.
That's what you say?
Of course.
That's what you're saying? Odema. I got fool.
Oh no, what if I got fool? Go and settle with your brother. What do you mean after doing business you told me I should go and collect back my money? The deal has been done. Go and settle with your brother. They can get one day work. Let me check if I will lock my door.
Agaba!
What is it? Why are you screaming my name?
Agaba, did you say that our piece of land that I might see to Onuma?
Is that why you are shouting my name? Agaba! Is that why you are shouting my name as if I committed a crime? Well, I did.
You did?
Yes.
How could you? Agaba, how could you? When you know that that piece of land was the only land that our late father left for us. And he said that on no account should we sell that land. Because it is the only inheritance for our generation to come. Why did you sell it?
Well, that is the words for the sick, dying man. Maybe he said so, I don't know. And moreover, I needed to raise money to start up a business and also to get married. And That land is the only option I have. I have to use what is available. So is that why you are chatting my name? Agaba, Agaba, Agaba. Is that why you are chatting my name?
And you don't have sense enough to inform me.
I forgot. And it wasn't that necessary anyway. As you will say, find that like you did. That is not a big deal.
Look, let me tell you. Let me ask you a question. Do you realize that land belongs to two of us?
That is where you got it wrong. Onokube, you got it wrong. In as much as I am the younger, that piece of land belonged to me. Remember when our father willed that land to me orally? Or did you forget when he said, Agaba, take care of that piece of land? Did you forget?
Oh God. Is it your dream? Or where? Look, let me tell you. I'm sure something is wrong with you. You don't only drink and gamble. I'm sure you started smoking igbo. You started taking drugs. Look, you are joking. You are joking. If you know you've collected money from Oduma, you better return that money. Because that land is not for sale. Your evil and mischievous plans will not work. I'm telling you.
So that's only piece of land Papa left for me. So you want to still claim it with all the money you are enjoying with your wife and children. You still want to collect it. It's your plan that will not work. Unukube, your plan will not work. So that is the reason why you are here shouting my name. Agaba, 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 Agaba. It will not work.
Okay, you will see. Look, let me warn you. Tell him not to near that land. I'm telling you, it will not work. It will not work.
Okay, if you are the enemy of my progress in my life, take care for my life.
I am telling you.
It will not work. That piece of land belongs to me.
You will see.
Don't come here again to come and make noise. So that is the reason why you are here shouting my name. Agaba, 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 Agaba. If you come here to come and shout again, don't worry.
Never! If he thinks he can ride on you, he must be a joker. We must fight to retrieve that land.
Yes, sir. We must fight. Fight to finish.
Go. I am struggling behind you.
I'll never let it go. Mbano. Omame. You want to prepare soup?
Yes, so nice. What do you want me to do?
See, tomorrow we'll be going to that land. We'll go and clear from where those laborers stop. Okay, so that this planting season will make use of it. So let's see how Numa will be able to do anything on that land.
This is a good idea. At least from there they will know how serious you are.
Of course.
Agaba, I don't really understand you. Why will you always have to fix it for us to meet at this point?
Oh no, ma, please. I am so sorry about this ugly development. I have already discussed that with him and we have settled. I wonder why he should trespass.
But that was not what he told me the very day I confronted him. Why is he saying a different thing and you are here telling me a different thing?
Anyway, never mind. I will handle it, please. This is what I can handle. I'll make it up.
Agaba, you better do. It's either you give me the land or you refund me back my money. Do that or you get ready to spend the rest of your life behind bars.
Oh no, man. It has not gotten to that. I will handle it. This is what I can handle. I promise you.
Agaba, it has gotten to that. Give me the land or refund me my money.
Okay. I will make it up to you. Please, just calm down.
I don't joke with my money.
I know.
You better do, Agaba.
Please, I will handle it. This is what I can handle.
You better do.
Please.
That is why I say you better do.
It's alright. It's alright. What are you people doing in my land? Eh? Ono? What are you people doing in my land?
Agaba, have you suddenly gone blind that you cannot see anymore? Huh?
Have I not warned you that I have sold this land to Onoma? Eh? Why are you looking for my trouble, Ono? Why are you looking for my trouble?
You are the one looking for trouble. You are the one looking for trouble.
Oh.
Yes.
I'm the one looking for your trouble.
Yes.
Okay.
I've told you that this land is not for sale. Over my dead body will anybody sell this land. Yes. As you can see, I'm already preparing it for this season's planting. Are you hearing me?
Yes. It is really said that the stubborn fly followed the corpse to his grave. Oh no. I warn you to desist. I warn you to desist.
Look, let me also tell you. It is also said that the innocent fly that is fighting for justice does not know what grave means. Yes. I'm telling you. So all these things you are doing, they are just empty threats.
Empty threats?
Empty threats. I'm telling you. Yes.
The cooking pot for the lizard is also the cooking pot for the chameleon.
Okay, don't worry.
We go jam.
I will eat the lizard and the chameleon.
Oh no. We go
Get
jam.
out! Get out from here!
We go jam.
Jam here!
Don't worry.
Get out!
We shall see.
Rubbish!
Just wait for me. We shall see.
Wait.
Nonsense.
Rubbish! Anumpama! Continue, madam. Let's go. Nonsense!
What is really happening?
Onokube is becoming a challenge between me and this money Onoma sent to me. Should I fold my hand and watch? Then this matter will accumulate. Something must be done.
Asma biarum ba na ba wunem oje kokon na nkuku akwane mana ibe kwa ka ibe gwo mu nwannem ije kokon na mkpumkpu asna tolopa na abụba tolopa na atọ here sprinkle it at the entrance of the land. The moment he step on it, he will surely die.
Agrika the Great.
But I must warn you, do not let another person step on it before he does.
No problem.
Else, it will spell doom.
Agrika the Great. We do just as you instructed.
Thank you so much.
Like I said, brother, I am very, very sorry for my bad action. Please, forgive me. I am very, very sorry. I know it's a taboo for a younger brother to sell such land without the permission of his elder brother. Honestly, I did it for the interest of the family. I still have it in mind to bring the money to you. I know you are a principal man because you won't consent. Brother, we need this money in this family. However, I wish to make amends. I have met with Onoma and we have agreed to meet at the land first thing tomorrow morning. He will be coming with his lawyer, but he insisted that you must come with me to the land before he can make any refund.
Okay, sit down.
It's okay, thank you, bro.
You see, it's now I can feel my blood flowing in you. If not, I never knew you were my brother anymore. Anyway, you've made the right decision. Okay, you made the right decision.
Yes, brother.
You made the right decision because I wasn't really happy that on your own you went and sold the only family land that belongs to us. Anobi. It's okay. Wait. Agaba, Why are we meeting at the land? Can't you go to somewhere else to meet?
Well, he insisted. Moreover, it is good we have such meeting at the land which is at stake. Because the land is the subject matter.
Well, it's okay. It's okay. No problem. It's okay. I'll be there, sure.
It's alright.
Okay.
But in case you get there before any of us, you should just wait because we will soon arrive.
Why should I get there before you? Because you know I always keep to time.
I know you always keep to time, brother. Yes. Like I said before, please, brother. I don't know if you are still angry.
No,
forgive me.
Okay. Alright.
Dream.
It's a dream. Listen, let's go back to sleep.
Just a dream and you are shouting like this.
It's a dream. Let's go back to sleep, please.
My husband. You're still in bed?
Yes, sir.
You're still feeling feverish?
It's like it's getting more serious.
This one is not ordinary again.
Please, you're going to help me. Please go to our land, Go and meet my brother Gaba. Tell him that I will not be able to attend the meeting. Just explain my condition for him, Tell him to convince Onuma for them to proceed with the meeting without me.
Okay, my husband. I'll go. But that will be after I've gotten you some medicine.
Don't worry, I'll be fine. Just that I need some rest. They'll be waiting for you.
Okay, if you insist.
Thank you very much,
Is he here at all? Jesus.
Somebody help me! I want them more.
Ujunwa.
What's the problem?
What is it? Problem?
Yes. I saw your wife.
My wife?
Yes. At that your land. At Mercy. Screaming in pains.
My wife! Let's go.
It's enough, Brother Ono. I know it's painful, but you just have to take heart. It's unfortunate, the mishap that has been falling us. But you just have to take heart as a man. I mean, she has been laid down to Mother Earth. So you must put her behind and move ahead with life as a man. You are a man. It's so sad. It's so sad. Look at how the incident made us lost our meeting with Onoma the day she died. But however, God knows the best. God Almighty knows the best. Brother Onoma, I promise you, I must get to the root of the cause of her strange death. I must. Whoever that is responsible must be exposed, and we pay for it. It's enough, Brother Ono. Please, it's enough. You just have to take heart. Just take heart, Brother Ono. Just take heart, okay? Take heart.
Oh no, no, yeah, make we do good, make we do good, make we do good. Oh no, no, make we do good, do good. Oh yeah, make we do good, make we do good, make we do good. Oh no, no, no.
How cheaply I deceived you. But this is too bad. I never wish him nor his wife dead. It was only a mistake. Well, his stubbornness is to blame.
You evil man, go and confess to my husband and entire villagers. The hour of retribution is here.
Odibeze, please forgive me.
I will confess! I will confess! I will confess! I will confess for my brother! I will confess!
What?
Brother,
what's the problem?
Brother, Brother,
what is happening?
I have a confession to make.
Yes. Confession?
Yes.
For what now?
I am the one responsible.
Responsible for what now?
I am the one responsible for the death of your wife, Odibeze.
So, that was what happened, and that was how we knew the truth. And eventually I lost my only baby, my only son. You know, the death of my wife, I couldn't handle it, and I couldn't take up the baby, and he died.
That's so pathetic, sir. I'm very sorry for your loss.
It's okay. Sorry I couldn't control my emotions. Like two of us are one of the same kind. You know, you're passing through what I've passed through before. I'm confident you'll pull through it. Okay?
I hope so too. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
My prince, I am sorry. Your sickness is getting worse each day that passes by. In all my years as a doctor, I've never experienced something like this. Well, I must confess, this is against my professional ethic, but I have to tell you the truth. My prince, you need to seek for spiritual help. You actually need to. Please, my prince. My prince, I have to be on my way now. Let me see your father. His Royal Highness. Thank you. Have a good day.
Njano kunaku mbele esibe mesibe nnede maju asoba masuba nnede maju nnede meko hasiri di muri akwakoko n'ebe nite njololo ya wonne. My prince, I am sorry. Your sickness is beyond my help. Your ailment seems incurable. The gods have refused to speak. Let me see His Majesty.
Aka akaya, aka Jehovah nemema, alwe bubeya, kene ruwari nemema, isi kendo, kena tiki atata, aka akaya, aka Jehovah nemema. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou amongst women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now at the hour of our death. Amen. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Young man, some time ago, you hurt a certain young lady, brutally raped. And that particular act of sin brought this woman into a great frustration. And until you find this woman and apologize to her and make her spirit be at peace with you, you will never be healed of this great ailment.
I'm sorry, Father. I'm sorry. Please. Forgive me. I'm
Mr. Opportunity, you don't become a desperado. Your eye the sharp terminator. Sure you see within you cause for yourself, Madam a pretender does the worst to go. I think that you know what's up when what's up know you. Now what thing come happen? You come lose God, oh no. This is what this is life for, nobody know all. We all are learning. Every one of us is a student here. The best thing you can do is be good the way you do for other people who are. Oh yeah, make we do good. Make we do good. Make we do good. Do good. Make we do good. Do good. Oh yeah, make we do good. Make we do good. Do good, my brother, my sister. Oh na na na. Look I know where on you met you. Oh where on you met you. Oh where on you met you. Oh on you met you. Nobody knows tomorrow. Knows tomorrow. Look I know where on you met you. Oh on you met you. Oh where on you met you. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Do you know tomorrow? Yeah. Look I know where on you met you. Oh on you met you. Oh where on you met you. Oh on you met you. Nobody knows tomorrow.
I don't want people to hear my voice. I don't be a thing. Papa, please. Come here.
Papa, wait.
Adobe.
Papa.
Talk to me. Talk to me. Got you pregnant. Speak like kill you. It's what? It's who? It's who? It's who? I said, Ada! 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 I said stop! I said stop! Ada! Ada, say come here! Ada, say! Ada, listen to me. I don't want people to hear my voice this morning. Tell me exactly what happened. Tell me exactly. Who impregnated?
Abiana, go down. Yeah, David, come.
Yes, sir.
Those that plier and those notes that you supplied to Tony, that crazy man. Will you collect my money?
Yes, sir.
Anyway, let me see that Manaz's brake pad. Bring it to me. Things for me. Listen.
You make lose my mind.
Paul Onyara, madman. How are you? Look at your hair. You're tying like a. Must you show everybody that you're a Kike man?
You know, this is my way to wipe my face. How about you get whisper now? That's one way before. That come.
Anything you want, even if you want it, we import from China within 1 hour.
I know say you will get everything for you. Emekus!
Ego borrow. But go.
How much?
1,500. Huh? You and I know how much they sell this in. Yeah? Tell me. How much did we sell this in to this person that time?
1,000. That one and that person now. This one now me, Paul.
See. If you want this thing to be right, just if you know they're serious for this, and I'll give you for 700 last.
What 700? Hey! My mom be that.
Paul! That is the Paul. Eh? Come here. Come. Why you shout my name and stop? Why will I not shout your name? Stupid boy you are. Yes!
Pregnate my daughter?
Pregnant Guinea?
Yes, you impregnated my daughter. With what? I don't know. I don't know.
Pregnant this fool? Me? Paulash? Impregnate? When did we do it?
Eh? I think you are mad. Will you say something now?
Just shut up your mouth there. Look at this mad girl. You are crazy. Since when? I will do something with you.
This thing? You are a fool.
Oh.
You are. Can you see yourself? Can you see what you have done to it?
Yes. Okay, I will tell you that my grandmother is related to Worry.
It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Good. I'm mad. I'm mad. No. You imagine this.
I know Mazi Ozumba. He can never come here to lay empty accusations on you. He was right. Two of us.
You see something? You are correct.
God will judge you.
You know, sir.
God will judge you.
Wait,
God will judge you.
Wait.
Go inside.
Go inside. What did I do you? What did I do for you?
How did I make such a mistake? Just imagine that useless boy denied me blatantly. God!
Ada?
Papa?
Have I not warned you never to step your legs into this house? Why not go to that your boyfriend? Your useless boyfriend that you willingly opened your thighs for. And he deposited that rubbish called child inside that stomach. Nonsense! Non-entity.
I'm sorry.
You are sorry? No. It is that good for nothing idiot. A keke rider. That you opened your two naked eyes to see in this village. Listen.
I'm sorry.
You are sorry for what? Shut up! Shut up your mouth. I cannot harbor you and that cursed child
Papa, I'm
in this house.
Please.
Get out of this house.
Please.
Now. Leave my house. Please. Wait.
Papa, please. Stop that.
Get out.
Peace be unto this house.
Amen. Good day. So please, how may I help you people?
Well, we are looking for a certain young woman by the name Wama, and we were directed to come here.
Yes. So, what has she done this time?
Nothing. It's a long story. But we need to see her in person. Please, do you know how we can see her?
Exactly.
Make we do
proud of you.
Make we do good, make we do good, make we do good. Oh na na, make we do good. Oh na na na. Makano ngwalo nyemechi, ngwalo nyemechi nuwa, ngwalo nyemechi. Say you hear? Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Oh na. Nobody knows tomorrow. As you vex, them small small. That be me cause that be your fault too. That's how we make this life. That's how we are gonna leave them behind. If you dey live today, think of tomorrow. So the deeds of the fathers will not jeopardize the future of your children. The future of your children, yeah. Every opportunity you find to help someone is a privilege. Make you try to use them well. I beg you, make you use them well.
That is her.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Do you know them?
Young lady, please calm down. I understand how you feel. But we have come in peace.
Please calm down, my daughter. You can at least listen to us.
Please calm down.
Please calm down.
I want you to understand that our sins are terrible before God. And yet, He forgives us our sins. I want you to find a place in your heart and forgive Him. Like I told you, His life depends on it. Please, my daughter, do not be heart-hardened to take a life. I beg you in the name of God. Please.
Please, my daughter. Whatever it will cost to make it up to you, I promise I will do it. Just find a place in your heart to forgive him. We are very sorry. That is why we are here.
Do you know what he made me go through? Do you have any idea what you made me go through?
Forgive me. Forgive me. Please. Please, my daughter, please.
Every hard house on your way to your destiny can only lead you to your shining grace. So don't bother, just remain the way you are. Be humble, and your day will surely come. Stay hungry, but be patient. Be grateful, and destiny will find you. Stay focused, you will win this fight.
So you are still breaking this firewood? This soft firewood? Huh? How long will it take you to finish up with this? Huh?
Firewood is very strong.
It's very strong. Lazy thing. Shenanigan. Do that very fast. Then go and make the lunch. before then, wash these clothes very well. Dry them and iron them. Nonsense. Do this thing! No, you want to injure me?
But the thing flew.
The thing flew. It flew.
When will the judge out?
Mama! Where is Mama? Mama, come here. Mama. Where is the money I kept in my bedroom straw? Where is it?
Money.
Mba! Beba! Akugwa! You have gone deaf because I made mention of my money.
I did not see any money, Papa.
Liar! Shut up! And stop telling lies. You thief.
But I did not steal any money. I did not see any money in your drawer.
Shut up your mouth! I knew it! You are nothing but a thief. You stole my money to buy all these clothes you are wearing?
But I did not steal. I told you, Sister Teresa the tailor gave them to me.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut it up!
I did not.
Put this.
Papa, I already told
I said,
Sister Teresa gave it to me.
Papa, it's okay now. Don't want to kill her. Papa, it's okay.
It's okay.
What happened?
I did not see any money. Sister Teresa was the one that gave me the clothes when I came. I told him, Sister Teresa gave me the clothes. I did not see any money that he's talking about. Clothes, I told him already, I did not steal his money.
Sorry. Did he tear the clothes?
I did not see any money.
It's okay, sorry. It's okay now. Sorry, just stop. Let's go to the kitchen.
Even if I don't be your born away. Remember not God to create away. Even if I know you get away. Now I'm picking up on away. What an aqua.
She has stolen again. She has stolen my money again.
Abokini come do. What an aqua.
Mother. Why? Why bring me into this life? And leave me alone? Just like Father, you never gave me an opportunity to even see your face. What crime did I commit? Why bring me and leave me in the hands of those who do not even love me? Why bring me and let me suffer in pain? Why abandon me like this? Why bring me and make me shed tears every day? Why can't you just take my life? Take my life and let me be. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired, Mother.
Mama. What are you doing?
I'm tired.
It's not your power to take your own life. It's not. Why are you torturing yourself like this, Mama? Why? Give me that. I'm begging you, please give it to me. Mama, give it to me. I'm begging you, please give me.
I'm tired.
Please, Mama, give me the knife. I'm begging you, please. Thank you. Mama, it's not your power to take your own life. It's not. Be it at this meal, put your faith in God. He always cares, you know. I may not know your reason of embarking on this suicide journey.
But I want you to know that God is always there for you. And He will see you through.
I'm tired.
Please, I know. We have to summon up strength. It's okay. I understand. Give me your hand.
I'm tired.
Please, Mama, give me your hand. Let's go. Sorry. Sorry, just stand up. You have to summon strength, Mama. Please. So you're making me to begin to cry. Please, Mama, stand up. Let's go home. Sorry, Mama, sorry. I'm sorry. Give me your hand.
You know I'm innocent. But God who sees in the secret knows the truth. However, I want to ask your forgiveness. Please, Papa, I'm sorry. Forgive me. Sir. Forgive me, sir.
Forgive you? I will not forgive you. Not when you are not only a thief, but a chronic liar. Listen. Get me my money. Go and bring my money to me. Get me my money. Mama. In fact, Wanjo, get me my money. You have not seen my wrath.
Don't worry, I'm going to talk to him, okay? I didn't take the money. Yes, but don't worry, I'll speak with him. He's my father. Good morning, sir. I wanted to... Good morning, sir. I wanted to ask a favor. I wanted to ask for permission to go to the city and see Auntie Noye, my mother's sister. But I let her go. But can you please give me money for transport?
I should give you transport money, eh? To go, eh? May your mouth straight to the corner. I am waiting for you to bring the money that you stole from my drawer. And you have the guts to say this rubbish out of your mouth? You have the guts?
Why do you hate me so much?
Listen to me. Mama. Wanjo. You think a cursed child deserves love? Love for Bakwako. You are a cursed child. A thief. You bewitched your parents. You killed your mother. You killed your father. You killed both of them with your witchcraft. Do you want me to remind you that your father fell from the pantry? The same day you were given birth, your father went to tap and wine to celebrate your birth. He fell down and died immediately. Your mother also died. You want to go to the city? City, kill your head.
She no be animal.
Come and get out of my sight.
She no be object.
Okay,
She's a human
get out.
being.
What up?
Flesh and blood. She feels pain. Oh.
Look at the money.
Your mother shouldn't have given you this one for me, eh? I finished the work. I cleared it down till down there, as she requested.
I needed to use the money as my transport fare to the city. This one she sent now, it will not be enough. Biko, go back home and ask her to add something.
I can't go back home. That's the only money left in the house. Due to what you explained to her that you need the money very urgently. That was why she asked me to bring this one. Don't forget, I'm very fit for the work. Yes.
One. Thank you.
Okay, I'm going.
When will this pain ever be over? When will the torture come to an end?
I'm ready to go to the city.
If you like, go to Alandemo. Go there. Go to the land of the spirits. You must still be a thief. I want to remind you. The money you stole from my cupboard, from my drawer, you must return it. Go and come back. You must return it.
She no be animal. She no be object. She's a human being.
What's up?
Flesh and blood. She feels pain.
Papa, I want to go to the city.
Like every other human being.
Sir? Yeah. I thought you said you're sleeping there.
Oh yes, but we can actually stay together here, don't you think?
No, sir, I sleep on the...
No, you don't need to. Come on, no. See, you know I'm a man with feelings, alright? I need you.
Huh?
Yes.
Listen, let me sleep on the chair.
No, you don't.
Mr. Opportunity, you don't become a desperado. Your eye the sharp terminator. Sure you see the thing you cause for yourself, Madam a pretender does to us to go. I think so you know what's up, and what's up, you know you. Now what thing come happen? You come lose God.
He raped me.
Oh no. You see what this is life, nobody know all. We all are learning, every one of us.
You raped me.
The best thing you can do, be good the way you do for other people who are. Oh yeah, make we do good, make we do good, make we do good.
Take this for your troubles. I'm sorry.
Wait! Hey! No, don't have anywhere to go to. I was coming on the road. Say the phone. You are still waiting, no, man. You are waiting, no. You are waiting.
How much? Yes. How much? Just enter. I didn't go. Enter. No problem. Don't look them. Just enter.
Only because of this innocent child. This child is the only reason I have chosen to forgive you.
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you.
May God bless us all.
This child will no doubt bring good fortunes to that girl Nwanna, should the Igwe keep to his promise to her. How can that be when my own daughter got pregnant for a useless man? What a fate.
Honestly, the thought of what I did to you still hurts me. I don't know why I did what I did that night. I haven't done such in my life before.
My prince, can we please drop this topic? I have forgiven you. Honestly, I have. There's no point revisiting it all the time. By the way, thank you for the things you bought for the baby.
Oh, come on. It's our baby, alright? It's ours. You don't need to thank me. Can you do me a favor?
If it's something I can do, yes.
Will you marry me? Give me the chance to take care of you and our child. You see, Joe, my wife told me everything. How you've been kind-hearted, how you've been a nice person. And I want to really appreciate. When you see good people, you appreciate them. So for all the good deeds, I want to please kindly accept this token from me. I believe that can go a long way.
All this for me? Hey, God. God, I thank you, sir. Hey, thank you very much, sir. God will bless you. Hey, hey. Mama, look at you. Our God is awesome.
Thank you for everything.
Oh, God has really helped. Look at how He has wiped away your tears and has retaken you from grass to grace. Oh.
Thank you for everything.
Oh, thank God. Hey, Chuku, me, Okada rider.
Aburuba, please, do whatever you can to eliminate her. Eliminate her. I don't want her to live in peace. I don't want her to live in affluence. Why my daughter is there, roaming about the village with pregnancy for a useless boy who calls himself Paul. Please, do whatever you want to do. Destroy her.
Take this. Take! When you get to the house, call her name 3 times before a mirror and blow that powder before that mirror. Once you have done this, she will die. But you must remember, be careful, be very careful not to allow yourself to be beaten by rain. Else, you shall see doom.
In fact, I will never be beaten by rain. What is wrong? I can never be beaten by rain. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I will be careful. No problem. Thank you very much. No problem. Hey!
Dalo.
to give me money. I killed my brother. I killed my brother. I killed my brother!
Mr. Opportunistic, you don't become a desperado. Your eye the sharp terminator. Sure you see within you cause for yourself, Madam a pretender, pretender does the worst to go. I think that you know what's up when what's up.